Hi dear students, let's see this question that came in JEE Advanced Paper 2 Physics in the year 2018. The question is from the topic of kinematics, or you can also say that a slight knowledge of work power energy is being used. But overall the question is very simple. It's based on multiple choice correct marking scheme, and I guess most of the students would have done this without much problem. So let's see what's happening over here. There's a particle which starts from rest from origin. It moves along the x-axis, and the kinetic energy of the particle is changing according to the law of dk by dt equals to gamma t, where gamma is some positive constant according to following the rules of dimensions. So we have to comment upon the nature of the force, whether the force acting is constant, how is the variation of the speed with time, how is the variation of distance with time. So basically we have to talk about these things. So let's do this question. So as we can see that d by dt of kinetic energy is nothing but gamma t. Okay, so kinetic energy we realize is nothing but half mv square. So if you differentiate this, so you're going to get half m into 2v dv by dt, right? So just we put, so 2 and half will be gone, so this becomes mv dv by dt is equals to gamma t. Okay, so from here we can see that v dv will be is equals to gamma upon m t dt. Okay, and if we integrate this from 0 say time t and from 0 say speed v, because in the question it is given that particle starts from rest from origin, so this will become v square by 2, this will become gamma upon m into t square by 2, which means that v is equals to root of gamma upon m into t. Okay, so now we can see that velocity is some constant into time. Okay, we can see that velocity is some constant to time. So which means if you compare this with v is equals to u plus at, okay, comparing with v is equals to u plus at, so we can see that u is 0. Of course we know that already, u is 0, and acceleration is nothing but root of gamma by m. Gamma which means is constant, because gamma is constant, so acceleration is constant, so we can say that force is constant, right? And distance or displacement will become ut plus half at square, so u is 0, so u 0 plus half into a is, which is gamma by m into t square, so displacement can be done like this. Okay, now let's go back to the options. Force applied on the particle is constant, this is correct, because acceleration was constant. Speed of the particle is proportional to time. You can see from here v is equals to some constant into time, hence this is also correct. Distance of the particle from the origin increases linearly with time, this is wrong, because this is proportional to square of time, so option C is wrong. Option D, force is conservative, this is correct, because constant forces are considered conservative, they are conservative in nature. So since acceleration is constant, so force will also be constant, so option D will also be correct. We could have approached this question in one more manner, like uh, essentially same only, but like instead of differentiating kinetic energy, we know that rate of change of the kinetic energy of any particle is called power. Power is nothing but the rate at which the kinetic energy of the particle is changing. So we could have also written power is equals to gamma t. Now power is also force into velocity, so this is nothing but gamma t, and force can be written as mass into acceleration, so m dv by dt into v is equals to gamma t. So from here also, if you see, we get the same equation, gamma by m t dt. So we could have taken this route as well, and after this we will do the same thing. So anyway, you will get the same answer. I hope you would have understood, you would have appreciated the solution. That's it. Thank you.